at the bottom, but over the bridge and then up to where you got a really good view of the falls. Hung out for a while. Go get to see his butt. Come on.
I like his butt.
There was one over here this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, small, I think it was a smaller one than that.
That's a pretty good sized bear.
Only about 20 feet away.
Whoa.
That's a little close.
Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't want to be set close to that one. And they're so busy eating and stuff.
Well, maybe Doug, that might be a problem if Doug caught some fish. Do you know what he's eating?
They just eat the horsetail and all, you know.
They eat the horsetail?
Yeah. So they like
berries, I know.
Yeah.
I've